everyone, this is Fiona from Insert. Today I will introduce you a verified company which is called Wuxi Pharmaceutical Company. First, we are going to visit our office. On my left side, these are some of our patents and certificates. Next, we are going to visit our laboratories, which are used for development and research of our new products.
This lab is used for synthesis chemistry, mainly for preparation of dietary supplements and APIs, such as PEA, OEA, supermaridine HCl, uracil, vocalibles. Analytical technology platform is mainly used for inspection of chemical products. For example, researchers have tested for purity, assay, and measure of our products. In addition, they do chemical research cooperating with synthesis platform. And we also have our own formulation technology platform, which is used to develop some tablets, liquid, and pills, etc.
And we also can notice these are some of our samples. We also have our own quality control center.
Here are drug stability test chambers. Next, let's start our factory tour. Our products are mainly produced by these reactors. We have various reactors, such as 2,000 liters, 5,000 liters, and so on. They can meet the demand of production for different quantities. The workshop has strict rules and regulations, and all workers have to wear safety helmets and uniforms. Therefore, the quality of products can be assured.
Ether.com, make global trade easier.